Hey everyone, this is Ryan B with Practical Forex Trading. This is your weekly Bitcoin analysis. So Bitcoin versus the US dollar. The date is February 9th, 2020. It is 9:12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Zone. Okay, so if you see, I've got Bitcoin I'm now bullish on. There's a caveat. This weekly candle does need to finish near its current price of around 10,000 or above, and I will remain bullish. We see Bitcoin breaking out of this descending price channel back from 2018. So what this tells me is that next we will see price make an attempt for the 12,250. Let's say maybe, let's just say the 12,000 mark. We should see price test the 12,000 and potentially remain in this channel. So you can see here, I took this underlying trend. So I think my ultimate bottoms, this is my ultimate low trend channel. Price stayed below it through 2016, 2017. Big pipes here, we call these pipes, where a candle will completely engulf the other one. You can see they're larger than any of the other candles around it. Price touched that again in 2019. Now we have this parallel trend channel, right? So what that means is it's a similar trend angle, but just like horizontal support and resistance, it is support and resistance represented over time, and therefore we get our angle. And when you think about trends, the lower the angle, so the broader the angle, I should say, as opposed to steep, the more reliable the trend line. Right, so you have this big bull run here, but then it didn't last, right? It really stalled out, shot back, lost almost everything it gained. So the more gradual your trend line is, the more stable it is. And we see that when we think about that and make this parallel trend line, that's what we come up with. Now, here's an important thing. One thing that could potentially happen and change my scenario is if the next week, so going into next week, this was a large bearish candle that dropped the price of Bitcoin back down below this line, then my sentiment would be reversed. However, if it closes above it, I'm still bullish. And we've seen this was our recent resistance right around here, around this 9,700 mark. Price popped through there. So as long as it stays above there, Bitcoin looks like a bull. Okay, so let's go ahead and get smaller. If we look at our daily charts, we see here price moved above the midterm support line. And now we have it moving up into this next trend channel. Let's put our fast moving average on. We see price moving well above the moving average. We could wait for it to dip back down to 9,600, and that makes for another buy-in. So good luck trading this week.